Salut, willkommen in den Elementarien. Weiter geht es mit Let's Play von Life is Strange. Wie last waren wir am Klassensaal, wo wir das ein Prof bis geschnitzt und wo wir Tagebuchenke durchgeguckt und wegen Leute kennen wir, wegen spielen alle gemacht, hat ein bisschen dran geschrieben, das war so fort. Lo, gucken wir Foto auf einer Pinnwand. Und das war den Busch, den Mysterious ausgesät. Guck mal weiter. Kann man doch bestimmt noch ein Foto gucken, ne? Ja. Leuchtturm.
You can never escape the lighthouse here.
Der das den in der ersten Folge total futtig gefahren ist. Und ich mich nicht irren. Kann man die Kamera da matteln?
Whoa, Mr. Jefferson is not messing around with that monster.
Fett
He probably
Videokamera.
paid 20 grand for that camera. I bet he gets pristine digital images. But I still dig my little instant camera. Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me.
Ja, das ist ziemlich uncool.
This is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson.
Ja, das flotte Kerl, dann ein Genie als ein Arbeit.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Das ist hier ein Rächen da se ganze Batz Talenten. Geil.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Fand ich geil. Hier rächen da ist ein ganz Kopf Skill. So, da ruckelt mir alles viel zu viel. Ich kann mal gucken, ob ich nicht aber vielleicht ein bisschen überdriven habe. Dass man da mal 8 Mal Apply Y. Yes, I want to keep it like that. Und Lummer nach ruckelt, dass ich nicht tot glücklich. Ja, ruckelt nach mal ein bisschen. Mob.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to. You
Welcome
always
to the real world.
Cute.
Ich wollte gerade so ein Hallo.
Then I might send you a special picture. Because Max wants everybody to see how cute she is.
Okay.
He plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
Das war nicht ganz zufrieden in der Show. Respektiv, mir passen noch nicht ganz daran. Das ist eine tolle Stimme an Ohren. Auf jeden Fall geht es dann an logisch, wenn richtig Schloss. Wir wissen, dass wir neu sind an dem College oder Uni oder wie auch immer. Ah, Musik, Kopfhörer. Ich möchte der Fotografie beim super bekannten Prof. Chris Ellis heißt die echt voll. Wir sind totale Fan vom Prof. Und aber sind wir zu faul für solche Foto ranzuschicken.
Evan
Also,
doesn't say much to me, but his photos are very cool.
ja, sie waren auf der Gruppefoto
Alyssa
für
is
drin.
always texting.
Lische.
She doesn't hang out with a lot of people.
Ja, wie ich das gesehen? Bei mir da doch nicht.
Yes, this poster must stop bullies dead in their tracks.
Bully free. Bully haben wir für noch schon gelesen. Ich hatte mir Leute gesagt, oder? Das ist Mobbing.
Stella is always deep in her notes. She didn't come to Blackwell to mess around.
Du fühlst es seriös. Du spielst auf dem Handy.
I've seen Brooke hanging out with Warren. She seems like his type.
Ja, Brooke ist
I
cool.
hate bully jockstraps like Logan. And he's a Vortex Club member.
Ja, Logan ist ja richtig Klischee. Wenn das ein Daniel.
Poor Daniel, he's so nice. I wish I could beat the shit out of Logan.
Okay, das ist der Logan aus dem Berg als Kollege zu bullien. So, wen das hier? Können wir hier nicht gucken? Nein, können wir nicht. Da. Gun Free Zone. Please, do not bring your guns to school, guys.
It looks like she's been gone
Herrlich.
for months.
Date missing, 22. April, 19 Jahre. Tattoo on calf of a dragon. Arcadia Bay Sheriffs. Das heißt, wir sind an Arcadia Bay. Nice. Vending machine.
They should just call it a sugar machine.
Das
That would
stimmt.
be awesome
Das
if you put money
stimmt.
in there in a bag of... Don't need a PC. Missed the Poetry Jam tryout.
Poetry.
I did not steal that backpack.
Laptop, fully loaded. $600. Zum mal wirklich alt Schilder gucken, oder
That's
wie?
so messed up. I should contact them to find out what I can do. As if I am.
Ob's für den Welt machen, das ist immer gut. Uff,
I wonder
das
what
war
actually
hot.
happened to her.
Okay, schick mir zu einer.
Good thing I left my AK at home.
Gun-free Zone! So, wo gehen wir hin? Missing person poster. Wie das hier?
There's Hayden.
Hayden.
Another Vortex Club bro. But he's actually not an ass.
Ah, schau dir das hier. He has a hot ass. Ja, weiter. Kann man da durchgehen? Nee. Ach, schon so der Flip auf den geilen Comic-Stil, geil. Boah, das sieht so geil aus.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
Meltdown, hey, easy. No time for Meltdown, auch wenn sie ein bisschen lang bist, ey. Du hast Grips, du hast Stil, bleib beide. Ein bisschen lang sind, das sind immer schlecht, eh? Und du hast ziemlich cool Schwungen,
Just
wenn ich das
relax.
so erwähnen
Stop
darf.
torturing yourself. You have,
You
a
have a
gift.
gift.
Fuck it.
Ey, check den, oh, ehrlich. Check da ran, Mann. Frau, pardon.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that.
Pimpampel, oh, ich sehe schon, Butterfly-Effekt.
Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this
Ooh.
every day.
Butterfly-Effekt, Gott, den ich Hängerhaut. Butterfly-Effekt. Sogar ein Flügelschlag von einem Pimpampel kann ganz Welt verändern. Oft benutzt mit allem, was Zäitreesen ist und so weiter, ne? Wenn man ein Foto hier vor das gucken kann, macht er nur immer noch. Yeah! Die gibt bestimmt mega cool, die da. Was? Guck von hier flitt, guck von hier flitt. Das musst du auf der Schexen-Toilette.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss.
Ja, du bist Boss. Behol dich
So what do
wieder.
you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Business.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this, bitch.
I can
Bitch.
tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk-ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am
Oh.
or who you're messing around
Whoa.
with.
Did you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
What? Oh, hä? Time Travel, Butterfly und so weiter.
Whoa.
What the fuck?
How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
Haben wir gepennt, haben wir beim Leuchtturm.
I already heard this lecture.
Hat Liste Big fallen, das hatten wir alles schon. Hat wir Stanford nicht.
Now Kate is being hassled again.
Blondie zählt, sing,
And if Victoria's
sing
phone
bitches
rings,
red.
this is real.
Bzzt.
Now,
Shit!
Can you give me an example of a
I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and
Nein.
white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
Go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces. You feel like
LT. What? Ja, wir machen los so lange, bis der Fotoapparat durchlädt. Holy shit.
I actually did it.
Example of a photographer who perfectly
I'm a
captured
human
the
time
human condition in
machine.
black and white. Anybody?
What?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Page 9. Gleich so, dass du stehst, natürlich ist etwas Neues dran. This does not exist. The weirdest journal entry I will ever make. So weird I don't know where to start. But it started with the most vivid dream of my life. I was lost in a storm by the lighthouse. Giant tornado. Blah blah blah. Woke up in Mr. Jefferson's class. Wasn't even sleeping. Blah blah blah. Everyday heroes. Then Nathan. Drug Dealer. Verkauft wahrscheinlich einfach Medikamentepillen. Bei den
because of her
Keep it
images.
together, Max.
ziemlich reich
I
von
feel
mir.
like totally
Ich
haunted by
kann
the eyes of those sad mothers.
When I
and
took my
children.
selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Mhm.
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Ja, bei hier schwätzt er
And any
ziemlich
one of you
cool.
could
Komm,
do
dann
that
machen
to
wir ein
me.
richtig geiles Selfie.
Isn't that too easy?
Wen hat das Selfie erfunden? Den so
I believe Max has
Französ.
taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful
Self-portrait.
photographic tradition. And Max
Has a
has a
gift.
gift.
I know I'm not
Of course,
dreaming
as
this.
you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was the
can go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
The point
Can I
is,
save her?
portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max,
Yeah.
since you've captured our interest,
RB, skip. Ah, das ist gut.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Ja,
Nice
schon dick
try,
Durchfall und
Max.
so.
but you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Little Figaro
class.
was a French painter.
And I need time to save that girl.
Kleine Problem.
A process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style.
Like
a
in
mirror.
Hero.
Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Kann man
Very
nicht
good,
skippen.
Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again
Gregorian process
and give him the right
brought out
answer?
fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward.
It means
The
you
first
learn a
American
useful
daguerreotype-
fact that you can blah blah
I
for
need to
later.
figure this out.
Okay. Wow, wieso muss ich
Now,
zurück?
Max, since
Probieren wir
The
das?
Daguerrean process, invented by a
French
French
painter
painter
named
named
Louis
Louis
Daguerre.
Daguerre around 1830.
somebody has been reading as well as posing.
Nice,
Nice
work,
work,
Max.
The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely
Got
popular,
you.
mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of Evan. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted
Oh,
by the art world. It's great
wirklich?
exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Aha. Genau so. So, können wir auch laufen. Schnell. Toilette, 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 Toilette.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your.
Ah, merde.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Not avoiding, not sure if I have one. B. Wir sind uns so total
I'm not
unsicher.
sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
Mich steuern die okay, mit LB kann ich direkt eine Aktion zurückspringen. Your latest action is represented by Mark on the Gorge. Gorge? What?
You see the dilemma?
I know.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can
Okay.
I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, excuse us.
Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography.
Not avoiding. John Lennon
I'm on
said.
top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Today. Komm, lo, lauf, 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 lauf. Und ich ging so, wie es weitergeht. Das
I hope I have
sieht
enough time to
ihr
the bathroom.
an
Please.
der nächsten Folge. Ich muss merci für das Gucken, für das merci für das Luisteren. Wir sehen uns. Ciao, ciao.